What's going on, everyone? Mr. Ladd here, and I have a few minutes. It's been pouring rain the last few days, and so I have a few minutes today where I can kind of bust out a quick video before the rain kicks in about 30 minutes. And so today I want to really quickly go over the new Chemical Guys Incite Foaming Color Change Wheel Cleaner. And so I was at the Chemical Guys store not too long ago picking up a couple things, and I saw this. This is new. It stood out to me, and so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. I talked to the guy, the owner of the store. You know, he basically explained it. It's a color-changing formula. When you spray it, it goes on like a bluish, purplish color, and then as it is reacting, what it does is it goes ahead and it changes white, and that means that it is I guess you can say reacting, or it's breaking down the grime, or whatever. It's doing its job. And so I used it on a few tires, on a vehicle already, a few tires, or a few wheels and tires, and something interesting happened. And so what I want to kind of do is document, will it do it on this vehicle, on my vehicle, or was that just an anomaly, just a one-case thing? And so I'm going to go ahead and try it. I have just a thing of water. I'm in my parking lot of the apartment I live in, so no hose today. We're just going to go ahead and show it on a tire, on a wheel, and just kind of see how it works in that environment in this regard. So I have a thing full of water, a little bit of Absolute rinseless wash in it. Not much, but just enough to kind of, I guess, I don't know, just to make me feel better about life. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and rinse down real quick, and just to kind of do like a slight little pre-rinse, nothing crazy. Honestly, I'm not really trying to rinse off like as if it was a pressure washer, more so just kind of remove any loose dust. Most people that are going to be buying this product, if they buy it, are not going to be using it for its crazy aggression, the fact that it can, you know, it's not a spray and rinse off product. I know that for a fact. I learned that, of course. But all right, simply here's the instructions. Directions: always ensure wheel and brakes are cool. Another reason why I rinsed it down. Rinse wheel, shake well, and spray Incite Foaming Color Change Wheel Cleaner onto wheel. Let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Then agitate with a soft bristle wheel brush. Rinse wheel with clean water. Then dry with a premium microfiber towel. Always test in a small inconspicuous area before first use. Now, this mentions it's just for rims, but the guy who sold me the product said it also works on tires. And so I want to kind of see how it works, and that kind of leads me to the reason why I'm actually making this video in the first place here. Let's just get into it, and we'll talk about the results afterwards. So, shake. So 10 to 15 seconds, and as you can see, the tire's already starting to get whitish. It's starting to break down. The rim itself isn't really reacting much, but it is a dirty rim here, so we'll kind of let it do its thing for a little bit, and then we'll get scrubbing. The smell is just a standard cleaner scent, nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. Just smells like almost like a sweet cleaner, almost, if that makes any sense. Alright, so let's go ahead and scrub the tire. Now it is pulling up some junk here. And some obviously browning. And then we can see the wheel itself is turned pretty white. The foam has kind of fallen off and broken down. So let's go ahead and let's see how it works. This is a pH neutral formula, so they say. So since it is pH neutral, it should be safe for pretty much any type of wheel, tire, or more so wheels. It should be good for pretty much all wheels. Seems to be doing a pretty good job at cleaning these lug nuts. That looks good. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse. A lot of that brown is falling down, which is good. have everything pretty much dried off or rinsed off. We'll follow up with a dry towel, remove any residue. If I miss a spot, it removes that dirt. So, quite simply, it works well as far as cleaner. It's a basic cleaner. I mean, as far as the lugs go, any of these metal pieces, they look good, right? You know, they look good. The tire's drying out. I'm gonna go ahead and step away from the camera. I'm gonna let everything dry out because there's something I want to kind of bring to your attention that concerns me, but I can't really tell until everything is dried out. So I'll bring you right back. All right, so it's been a few minutes. Things are pretty much dried out. The concern that I had, thankfully it's not happening again, but the concern that I had is before on the vehicle that I used this on last, what happened is the tires got bleached, almost as if it looked like I cleaned it with acid. For those of you who use acid-based wheel cleaners, I'm not talking about iron and fallout removers. I'm talking about like wheel acid, like you dilute it down and all that stuff. If any of you who use acid, you know that when you get acid on tires, it bleaches the tire, and this happened to that. But thankfully, that's not happening on this case, so that more seems to probably be an issue with the tires rather than with this product, which is good to know. So guys, with that being said here, this is one of those products where if you are the kind of guy who, you know, you like to experiment with some cool products, you like to try some different stuff, this stuff won't be bad for you. I don't know if I would necessarily recommend it for aftermarket wheels. It says it's pH balance, or it has a pH balance formula, whatever that means. And so you probably can use it on aftermarket wheels, but because I don't know much about this product, I probably wouldn't necessarily do that, although it says nothing about that. So I would use that at your own caution here. But as far as the results, I mean, it got the job done. It seemed to have cleaned. Yeah, it seemed to have cleaned the tire, so that's not a problem. That's good. The rim's clean. I didn't get in the barrels just because of the fact of my current circumstance. I don't have a hose or anything like that. But if you like, obviously, if you like a product that's going to cling to the wheel or to the tire and have a little bit maybe easier of a cleanup, this actually may be a good option for you because it is a foam. It comes out of a can and it just kind of sits there and breaks down. And it's not like you have a ton of liquid pouring down when you use a standard wheel cleaner in a spray bottle. You spray it and it's going to get everywhere. Here, really the only mess that was made was from the water of, you know, this bottle right here. That was really the only mess that was made. And so I don't see any negatives to the product. It seems like the tire's pretty bare. It's done a pretty good job here. And so with that being said, if you guys have ever used this product, if you're familiar with it, let me know in the comment section below. I found this at my local detail garage supply store. It's like $12 for the can, which to me makes it seem like it's obviously more for the DIY consumer, the person who kind of just details their own cars. This is obviously not a business product here. But with that being said, Mr. Ladd here signing out. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscription button, click the notification bell, wax the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day.